This video will show you how to do a bullion loop. A bullion loop is a variation of a bullion knot, which is another one of my videos if you want to go to that one before you start this. It just makes a long bullion knot that forms into a loop. So you start by bringing your thread up to the front of your fabric or your wool. And then you're going to just take a little bite, a back stitch, maybe 1/8 of an inch, and come out near the emerging thread. Leave your needle in your fabric or your work, and then you're going to wrap lots of wraps around the needle, 24, 36 times. So we're going to do 24. So start and go clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15, and notice that my loops, my wraps are stacking nicely on top of each other. Make sure they do that and don't go over one another. So that was 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So then you're going to hold your wraps with your thumb while you take your thumb of your other hand or your nail and start pushing that needle through those wraps. Sometimes it takes a little twisting and turning, and you can straighten them out a little bit when you get it all pulled out. And then hold them as you pull the needle, and you're going to come and kind of straighten them with your fingers as you do that, and it'll come back to meet where you started, forming a loop. And you'll take your needle and go down right at the start of that. And you have a nice little loop there. We'll do one more. So now when you want to make your second one, you go up just that 1/8 of an inch past where your first emerging thread was. Bring your thread to the front of your work. Again, take your little back stitch, and then you're going to do your wraps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Got them all on there. Hold them with your thumb and your forefinger and twist your needle, pulling them through, pulling it through your wraps. And then you just bring it back down to where you started. You have to play with it a little bit sometimes. There we go. You can see that that's starting to look like your loop. And then put your needle down and take your thread to the back of your work. And now you have 2 little loops. And you just keep doing that around your circle or whatever you're doing and create the number of loops that you would like. Hope you have fun.